Thank you, Mr. Chair. I'll keep this tight. Mr. Friedman, the Prime Minister and the Minister of Public Safety on numerous occasions have said that their banned firearms were, quote, designed to kill the largest number of people in the shortest amount of time. They were designed for use by soldiers to kill other soldiers, amongst various things. I just happen to have a copy of the Geneva Convention on Conventional Weapons, which Canada is a signatory to. And I'll quote from it: "It prohibits the employment of weapons for the purpose of causing superfluous injury or unnecessary suffering." Mr. Friedman, is the Prime Minister and the Minister of Public Safety misleading Canadians on these firearms for political purposes, or is Canada indeed in violation of the Geneva Conventions?
An interesting question. I'll say as follows. It's unfortunate that inflammatory political rhetoric has taken the place of an informed policy debate. Like, I think this committee is a great example of what can happen when we actually look into the legal, regulatory, and technical sides of these firearms. The statement that those guns were designed to kill the largest amount of people in the shortest amount of time is false. And that's borne out by the fact that we happily equip our police officers with these firearms. We give them to them because they are efficient and reliable, and we know that they operate well in all conditions. The Prime Minister similarly said that, quote, "you don't need an AR-15 to bring down a deer." Obviously, as someone who clearly doesn't understand both the wildlife regulations and the Firearms Act, he would know that the caliber of bullet fired by an AR-15 is in fact considered too weak to take down a deer and is therefore prohibited for hunting deer in virtually every province. Those are firearms that are used for varmint or predator control by farmers regularly. So I think what we need to do is take out the political rhetoric. We don't need to have an inflammatory debate. We don't need to divide people to demonize one group over another. We need to have a evidence-based discussion direction that we want to take gun policy in this country. I think that's what Canadians expect. It's what they deserve.
Thank you very much.